the sweltering desert heat, he opens a pack of potato chips in his truck. Well, there goes the first one. A single cheese and chives flavored fried potato slice, worth $30. He'll have about 18 more. The silence outside is deafening, except for that incessant buzzard. $80 a squawk. Here's that one-hit wonder from 1993. He always quite liked it, but teenage pretense had him pretend otherwise. $5 a foot tap. He steps outside, kicks around some rocks at $7 a stone, but that one, resembling his ex-father-in-law's face, will be $21. He kicks it 3 times, just 'cause he said, Hawaiian shirts are for men of lesser character. Now he settles in to watch a $9.99 sunset. Soon the stars will come out at $1 each. He's always liked seeing just how many he can count when there's nothing else to do. The longer your truck driver is stuck out there, the more it costs your business. So make sure you only fit genuine Mercedes-Benz truck parts. Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.